Hey everybody, Chris again at Ujoint. Finishing up this Connecticut 7.3. It's a 2000. It's actually, well, it's a 6 of a 99, so it might still be a 99. Either way, E350 7.3. Came down for a full conversion. What looks like a fairly basic cargo van is packing a lot of cool stuff. It's got our 6-inch kit on 35-inch Yokohama Geolandar XATs. Really liking these tires. I've got them on my new daily, and we've been using them a bit lately. Good tire. Pro Comp wheels. He went with our dual shock upgrade, so we got the dual Fox 2.0s up front with our dual shock tower. Front axle's a stage 2 Dana 60, 410 gears on this one, so it's got Detroit True Track. Standard brake setup, so it's a regular stage 2 axle. There you can see the front OBA port poking out of the front frame support there. We took the transmission out, converted it to 4-wheel drive, did a full rebuild, new torque converter, all the normal 4R100 upgrades. Put the NV271 behind that with 1350 CV drive shafts front and rear. Here you can see our aluminum side steps. This van also has our OBA system. A little different setup on this. The normal twin cylinder compressor that we use is unobtainium, can't find them anywhere, so we went with the 2 of the smaller ARB compressors, made a custom mount. Actually worked out really well, super quick. It's got our overload airbags in the rear. This van had a full float Dana 60 in it, so we kept that. Installed an aux locker and then converted it to 35 spline axle shafts. So good old aux mechanical diff lock. It's also got the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks in the rear. You can see the reservoirs there mounted in the middle. Out back, we've got our OBA port with the Schraders for the airbags. So that's it. Turned out really nice. Pretty sweet package. Got the fuel door on there also, locking fuel door. I'll show you the side steps on the passenger side. That's it. Another good view of the dual shocks. This thing's ready for action. It's leaving tomorrow. If you don't follow us on Instagram and Facebook, please do. I post daily shop updates on my Instagram. And yeah, you got any questions, leave them in the comments or shoot me an email. Chris at ujointoffroad.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.